Find your path towards a creative, hands-on career. From aerospace, automotive, and technology industries to prototyping and even the clothes you wear. Wherever you find strict tolerances in manufacturing production, a machinist is often playing a role in the process. Explore this program where creativity meets craftsmanship in producing finished products as a trained machinist with Perrytech's 1-year precision machining and manufacturing program. The program begins with the foundation in theory and practical application, progressing into computerized machining principles. Students are taught the fundamentals required in the trade to secure entry-level employment upon graduation. From properties of metals to blueprint reading and computer numerical control, or CNC programming, graduates will have the knowledge and skills to take raw materials and turn them into very specific functional components, preparing them for industry certification exams. Students are also trained in additive manufacturing, known as 3D printing, as part of the hands-on course. Additionally, students have the opportunity to participate in an externship, which allows them to take and apply their newly acquired hands-on skills to an industry environment and gain real-world experience prior to graduation. Companies operating within the manufacturing industry rely on precision, innovation, and creativity while striving for continuous improvement. If you are looking for a rewarding career where your contributions can matter, become a machinist and put yourself at the center of providing real-world solutions. Get started today by scheduling your program tour at perrytech.edu/tour.